Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the new Canva Sheets update and all the features that come with it. This is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial, so even if you're a beginner, you can easily follow along. And if you already have a favorite Canva feature, drop it in the comments because I might feature it in my next tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open Canva and click Sheet. This is how it looks inside of a Canva sheet. This is the new update, and the important part here is the action section. We will run through it later because almost all the new tools are located there. The Magic Charts will be very helpful for us, especially if you want to turn your data into visual graphs that are easier to understand. Everything at the top is the common tool that you always see when you're using Canva, like fonts, colors, sizes, and alignment. On the left side, we have the panel. The first one is design. This is where you're going to use a pre-made template created by many creators. But you can only use these templates for personal use. You cannot sell them or use them for commercial purposes if you didn't design them. So here, you have many choices. For example, this template. You can actually use it and edit the data inside of it. Next to design is the elements section. In elements, you can use stickers, frames, graphics, and illustrations. You can use what you like depending on the design style you want to add to your sheet. After that, you have the text option, where you can add text boxes if you need to type custom words. Then you also have uploads, where you can upload your own pictures, logos, or files. So basically, everything on the left side is already part of Canva design. Now let's go to the sheet itself. On the upper corner side, you will see a plus button. If you click the plus, it will allow you to add another cell. Another way is to right-click. If you right-click, a menu will appear and there will be many options like clear section, delete, add row, or add column. On the number side of the sheet, the process is just the same. You can also adjust the size of each column and row by dragging the edges. First, I'll be showing you how to create a header title. Highlight the first row, right-click, and then click Merge Cells. As you can see, the cells that we merged don't have any dividing lines anymore. So now it looks like one large cell. You can customize this merged cell by changing the background color. Canva has many colors available, so just choose the one you want to use. After choosing the color, we can now put our header title. Simply click the cell and then type the title. You can customize it further by highlighting the words, going to the font menu, and choosing the font you want. Canva has many choices of fonts, so it depends on you what style you will use. Then go to the size option and adjust the size of the words. There is also another option for creating the header title. You can go to the text box and add a title. After adding the title, drag it and place it on the header banner to position it correctly. Once it's in place, you can choose any font you want, adjust the size, and also change the color of the text. Once you have chosen the color of your text, you can also design it. Just click Effect, and there will be many style options. For my header design, I'm going to choose the outline effect and change the outline color to gray. This makes the title look more professional and eye-catching. After finishing the header title, we can put some decorations. Click on Elements and search for a picture or graphic that you will be using. For example, type laptop. You will see a lot of choices, graphics, frames, and photos. I will just use stickers, so I just go to graphics and choose any design I like. Since I'm using a pro account, a lot of the graphics are premium. But if you want free ones, just click the three dots at the top and choose free. That way, Canva will only show the free results. Once you're satisfied with your design, just click it. Remember, it will first go inside a cell. What you're going to do is right-click and click the touch image. After that, just adjust the size and put it on the header banner. You can add as many elements as you want to your header title. So now, I'll put the labels of each column before we continue the tutorial. Once done, I'll start inputting the data one by one. In the Assign To column, we will be mentioning a person in our sheet. Click the cell, then click Action again and choose Mention. Here, you can search for the name of the people. This way, you can assign tasks directly inside your sheet. Next is the Platform column. Click the cell again, then go to Action and click Dropdown. Canva already has some pre-made dropdowns, but since there is no option for a platform, we will create a new one. Click Create Dropdown. Here, you will see a lot of options. You can rename each option and change the colors. If the 3 default options are not enough, click Add New Option. Just do the same process with others. Rename and put a color. Once done, you can select your options. For the Status column, click Drop Down again and go to the pre-made drop-downs. You can choose Status. Here, there will be a lot of options and you can rename them if you like. It's up to you. Next is the Publish Date. Go to the top corner and click Number Format. Here, you will see many choices like number, percentage, currency, and date. Since I'm from the Philippines, the Philippine peso is already set as default. But if you need to change currency, let's say your client is from another country, you can change that. Just click Change Number Format Settings and select the currency of that country. For the date, click Action and click Date, then set the date. By the way, if you need to see the whole sheet clearly, there is an option below. Just click Pages and it will hide the extra pages below. Once you set the date, you can also choose the date format. Canva gives you 3 options and it depends on you which one to use. Next is the budget. Here, we will be using numbers and currency format. Just click the cell, type the number, and after that, press Enter. It will automatically convert to your currency like dollars or pesos. The same process is used for the revenue column. Since we already input all the data, now I will be showing you the other features of the new update. Go to Action and click Generate Table. Here, you type your prompt. Then Canva AI will give you results. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click More like this until you get the one you like. Once you are okay with it, just click Insert and it will appear on your sheet. If you already have a table like me, you can just delete it. Next is Fill Empty Cells. What you're going to do here is highlight the blank cells. Once highlighted, click Action and then click Fill Empty Cells. Canva will generate the data for you. If that's okay, click Insert. You can highlight each column and edit it as well, and then adjust each column size. Next is the Link tool. Here in the sheet, you can attach any link from your website or social media. Just paste it and it will be clickable. Now let's move to uploading pictures. Go to Uploads. First, you need to upload the files from your laptop. Once uploaded, you can attach the image to each cell. After that, highlight everything inside the cell. Go to Action and click Bulk Create. For your information, Bulk Create helps you make multiple posts in one click. This tool is very helpful, especially for social media pins or posts you want to publish in bulk. After clicking it, choose the template you want to use. Once the template opens, you need to connect each data. Click the title inside the template, and on top you will see Connect Data. Connect it to the data in your sheet where you place the titles. Do the same for images. In my sheet, I have a column with pictures, so I connect that. Once connected, click Create Designs. Canva will automatically generate multiple designs and upload them to your folder. Then click View to open the folder. This is how it looks using the template earlier. The bulk designs are created one per row in your sheet. You can then open each one and edit them further if you want. Next is the Magic Insights feature. Here, AI will generate the data about whatever you ask. This tool is not free. As you can see, there is a limit of credits, and you can only use it a certain number of times. Let's say I'm asking Canva to summarize my data, so just click it and Canva will show you text and graphs. You can copy the text and paste it on the sheet. Another shortcut in typing is this. If you highlight a word and drag it down into empty cells, it will automatically fill those cells with the same word from the first cell. Next is the Magic Write tool. Here you can type a prompt again and Canva will generate the data for you. We also have Magic Charts. Highlight the data cells that you want to turn into a chart. Then click Action and choose Magic Charts. Canva will show you many chart options. Once you choose your chart, you can customize it by adding legends, axis labels, and data labels. You can also add charts on other page if you are presenting this project. Just click the chart, then click the three dots and select Add Chart to Page. This way, your chart appears in presentation format. Next is the Formula tool. Go to column where you want the totals. Type the equal sign, then type sum or just click sum and highlight the numbers. Press enter and the total will appear. Do the same with the revenue. For the magic formula, here, instead of writing the formula, you just type a prompt about your data. For example, add the J6 and K6 column and Canva will generate the formula for you. By the way, in the link tool, you can also upload and attach the link of your Canva designs. Just click Action, then Link, and select the design you want to attach. Then we have the Translate button. If you're presenting a project to people from different nationalities or languages, you can use this. Go to Action, click Translate, and you will have two choices. Either translate the whole page or just selected cells. Then select the language and choose the tone of voice. Highlight the cells you want to translate and click Translate. Canva instantly showed the translation. For example, here I translated it into Japanese. Lastly, there is the Import Data tool. Here you can import an already made sheet from Google Sheets or other apps. Just make sure the file format is Excel, SX, or CSV. Once done, you can finalize your sheet inside Canva. When everything is finished, you can share your sheet with other people by giving them access through a link. You can set whether they can edit or just view. You can also present the sheet directly in presentation mode, or simply download it as a file. Canva allows you to choose the file type like PDF, PNG, or CSV, depending on what you need. And that's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Canva and design hacks, and comment below what tutorial you want me to do next. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.